December 18, 2016, a week before Christmas, Randburg, Johannesburg, and the only sound echoing through FNB Bank was a jackhammer tearing through concrete. The robbers walked in like they owned the place. They overpowered the security guard with ease. No guns, no drama, just cold, calculated precision. Then they pulled out a jackhammer. For hours, the sound of metal grinding concrete filled the vault. One by one, they tracked open safety deposit boxes. 360 boxes gone. Cash, jewelry, documents, passports, everything people thought was secure, ripped out and loaded into bags. The twist: this wasn't random. It was December, the month South Africans stash their Christmas bonuses and holiday cash in safe places. The thieves knew exactly when to strike. By morning, the vault was empty. The robbers vanished, the case still unsolved. Follow for more untold African true crime, because sometimes the boldest crimes are the simplest.